So it's the end of another busy week. I've poured myself a cold one, and so it's time for a recap of some of this week's announcements from AWS with a beer. Cheers. So today I'll highlight Amazon Q Developer and how it's now gone GA. I'll also be talking about Amazon Q Business and Amazon Q Apps. The new Amazon Titan text embedding model for Bedrock has also been released. And I'll also be talking about Amazon Transcribe and the new Gen AI powered call summarization features. So this week, AWS was making waves with the launch of Amazon Q Developer. I'm sure you've seen lots about it already. It's essentially a genius AI sidekick shaking up the software development scene. So this powerhouse assistant accelerates your journey through the software development lifecycle with some seriously cool features. Imagine asking questions and diagnosing errors in the AWS Management Console like a pro, or effortlessly building data pipelines using natural language with Amazon Q data integration. But wait, there's more. Say goodbye to tedious coding with conversational coding and inline code generation right inside your IDE. And don't forget about the Amazon Q Developer Agent, your trusty companion for smooth sailing in both IDE and Amazon Code Catalyst environments. But businesses, listen up. With Amazon Q Developer, you're looking at a game changer for productivity. Think of all the time saved on manual tasks that can now be automated, both inside and outside of AWS. This means your developers can focus on what really matters, innovating and creating software. Plus, with features like code transformation, application maintenance, upgrades, and migrations now becoming a breeze, saving you valuable time and resources. And let's not overlook the preview features like resource listing within your AWS account and the ability to retrieve and analyze cost data from AWS Cost Explorer. So it's time to level up your development game with Amazon Q Developer. Also this week, we have another exciting milestone as AWS unveils the full release of Amazon Q Business alongside a sneak peek of Amazon Q Apps. So get ready to revolutionize your workplace dynamics with these innovative solutions. Amazon Q Business is not just another run-of-the-mill tool, it's a game changer in how your team interacts with knowledge and enterprise systems. So imagine effortlessly navigating complex queries and taking action all within a sleek and intuitive web-based chat interface. And the best part, there's no need to overhaul your existing systems. It seamlessly syncs with over 40 different enterprise favorites, such as Amazon S3, GitHub, Salesforce, Slack, MS365, and lots more as well. So with secure access controlled by single sign-on and enterprise level permissions, it's like having a VIP pass to your data universe. So get ready to boost productivity, streamline processes, and elevate your tech game. So with Amazon Q Business, we have the preview of Amazon Q Apps. This lets you whip up apps lightning fast, whether by chatting with Amazon Q Business or simply describing your dream app. No tech wizardry required. With Q Apps, you can craft, tweak, and share apps using company data, simplifying productivity for you and your team. Plus, you can strut your stuff by publishing apps for your co-workers to enjoy, all while staying snug under the security umbrella of Amazon Q Business. So now introducing the latest addition to the Amazon Titan family, Titan Text Embeddings V2. Think of it as your NLP superhero, ready to transform text into numerical vectors, also known as embeddings, within Amazon Bedrock. Now these embeddings aren't just any numbers, they are the secret codes that capture the deep meaning and relationships between words, groups of words, and even entire documents. But wait, there's more. The latest edition isn't just about fancy math, it's optimized for one of the hottest tasks around, retrieval augmented generation, or RAG. Now this means it's your go-to sidekick for tasks like conjuring answers to questions, fetching relevant information, and even tailoring unique and personalized recommendations. So whether you're into crafting the next gen chatbot, diving deep into your info retrieval, or simply geeking out over wordplay, Titan Text Embeddings v2 is here to supercharge your Bedrock experience. So get ready for the ultimate in-call analysis. AWS has announced the general availability of call summarization using GenAI with Amazon Transcribe. This is now officially unleashed through the Amazon Transcribe Call Analytics API. So picture this, a magical tool that distills lengthy contact center conversations into bite-sized summaries, capturing all the juicy details like the reason behind the call from the customer, how their problem got sorted or didn't, and also what the next steps were agreed. It's like having a super smart assistant who can sift through endless chatter and serve up the highlights on a silver platter. So a really cool tool for those of you using call centers out there. So this video was pretty heavily Gen AI focused, as you expect at the minute. That's the big news out there with AWS. There's lots of new announcements coming, but I'll keep releasing these videos on anything new as they come up and anything of interest. So thanks very much. Thanks for watching and speak to you soon. Cheers.